We're at 3872 Mariners Drive. This is in Gulf Breeze, just north of the Walmart Supercenter and just east of the Garcon Point Bridge. We're entering into our foyer here. To our right, we have our coat closet, and directly in front of us, we have our great room with a fireplace and 2 sliding doors. We have this large deck that covers the entire back half of the property, and then we have the enclosed backyard as well. Turning you around here, this is a split floor plan, so one side has the master and one side has the guest bedrooms. First, we'll go to the dining area. This is on the front side of the home. We have nice bay window looking into our front yard and our front porch. Next, we have our kitchen. We have lots of good cabinet space. We have our entrance from our 2-car garage here as well. Turning around now, here is that living room from a different view. First, we're gonna go to our master suite. So this is on the the left side of the home. Here is that master suite. This sits on the back side. We have another bay window looking into the backyard, so lots of privacy. We have a walk-in closet, and then we also have our attached ensuite. So we have nice linen cabinet here, double sink vanity, commode, and then around to the corner we have our tub shower combo. Turning around, we'll head back out now. Here is that master suite again. Now we're gonna walk to the other side of the home, so we're crossing through the living area, passing our dining area, passing our foyer. We'll come to a short hallway. We'll go left first. So here is bedroom number 2. This is the guest bedroom located on the back side of the home. We have carpeting throughout the majority of the living areas here. Both bedrooms on this side of the home are very good size. And then we have a bathroom in the middle. Passing a linen closet, we'll turn into our guest bathroom. So we have good size vanity here, tub shower combo again. Coming back out, here is bedroom number 3. This sits on the front side of the home. Lots of good natural lighting, extra big closet in this bedroom as well. Heading back out now, we'll take you to the backyard. So back into our living area. The backyard is fully enclosed, and like we mentioned earlier, we do have this deck patio space. So here is that backyard area. And we'll come out a little bit more and show you. And here is the back side of the home. Heading back inside now. Again, this is 3872 Mariners Drive, offered by Barrons Property Managers, 850-934-2588. You can also view it at BarronsPM.com.